I get this question a lot, so I figured I'd walk you guys through my morning routine. So as soon as they wake up, I start with oil pulling. What all you're gonna do is you're gonna shake the bottle, because this has fractionated coconut oil in combination with vitamins and other essential oils, so you wanna make sure you give it a good shake to evenly distribute all of those oils. I usually do about 10 ml, so just fill it up to about there. One of the things that I do is I habit stack. So I'm gonna start swishing. I swish for about 5 minutes, and then I'm just gonna get ready for the day while I'm swishing. Cheers. Alrighty, so I just spit out all of the oil. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush and tongue scrape. A lot of people ask if I use toothpaste after I oil pull, and I don't. So since I wake up and do oil pulling on an empty stomach, I just use that residue oil just to, you know, disrupt the bacteria. And then after I eat breakfast is when I use toothpaste. And that's it. So I hope this helps with your oil pulling routine. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know.